everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new here, and if you are new here, please subscribe, join my little family. I would love to have you. So today I created this look right here. It's perfect for Valentine's Day or a birthday or anything that you have coming up. I love the way it came out. It's like pink and smoky, and I'm like in love with it, so I think I'm gonna name it like the pink smoky eye. I'm not sure yet, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm just gonna prime my lips with some Carmex because they are super dry right now. And I did my brows, by the way. If you guys want to know how I did my brows, I'll link my brow tutorial down below. I just did it off camera just to save some time. Oh my gosh, guys, so I've been trying to film a video for so long, but I hate the way all my videos are coming out. I don't know why, I'm just like not myself. I just sound like super weird on camera, and that's like one of my goals for 2019. I want to try to be myself. I don't know, because I feel like every time I turn the camera on, I'm like, hi guys, and I'm just like this totally different person than I am in real life. I don't blame myself because this is not normal. Like, talking to a camera is not that normal, and it's not something I'm used to, so I'm still trying to get the hang of things. I just feel like all my videos are so awkward, and it bothers me so much. Now I'm gonna get my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. It looks like this. This is my favorite thing to prime my eyelids with. And I'm just gonna take this brush right here, and I'm gonna dip into this product. And as you can see, my eyelids are stained because I tried doing the Brad's challenge, and oh my gosh, guys, that video came out so bad. I edited it and everything, and I was like debating whether I should post it or not because I hadn't posted in like such a long time, but I did not like it at all. And I don't want to be uploading things that I'm not proud of. So I hope this video comes out okay because I really want to get something up. I went and got eyelash extensions again. I love them so much. I think I'm going to keep getting them. They just save me so much time. And like, I was always wearing falsies anyway, so I think they're worth it for me. At least for me. I really like them. And I'll leave the lady's information down below because she does an amazing job and she's super sweet. I'm like recommending her to everybody, like all my family goes there now. And I just bought these clips because I really like them to pin my hair back. So I primed my eyelids, and now I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what's going on with my eyes. And I did shave my baby hairs right here because I'm stupid and I don't listen to anybody. I'm stubborn, and now they're growing and they look ugly. So if you guys see that while you're zoomed, excuse me, it's my fault. Okay, so you guys are really zoomed, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here from my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'll have everything I use linked down below. So I'm taking it on my Anastasia brush that comes with the palette, and I'm just going to start packing this on my crease. Blend that out with my sultry palette. I'm going to take this shade right here called Bloom, and I'm taking it on a Morphe M506, and I'm going to start blending this out. I'm just going to run it on the top, and blending does take a while, so just be patient with it. Don't get frustrated. To drag it out because I do want to clean it up and I want all this to look really sharp. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Natasha Denona. This is the, let's see, the Aries palette, and I'm going to be going in with this red right here. It's called Red Bronze, and I'm just going to put this right here. So I'm going to go back in with Bloom right there. Make sure to drag it out. So I like to take a big fluffy brush like this, and I just like to run it on the top just to blend everything out. because I want everything to look blown out. I don't want any harsh lines. So now I'm going in with another Natasha Denona shade. It's this one that's all cracked right here, and this one is called Nude. So I have that on my Anastasia brush, and I'm going to start packing this on my lid. Go back in with this red right here. I'm scared to drop this shade. This one right here. And I'm just gonna blend that shade out. Back in with the fluffy brush. So I'm taking the liner brush by Sephora. It just looks like this. And I'm going to go in with this shade from the Sultry palette. This black right here. You can take any black that you want, but I'm just going to go in with this one because it's right in front of me. And I'm going to be doing a wing with this. So I first like to line the top of my lid. But I don't bring it all the way in here because I don't like the way that looks on me, so I just stop it halfway. Then I'm gonna do like a thick wing. I love my wings. I hardly ever do liner anymore. Like with the liquid liner, I just like it with shadow. It's okay if it's not that pointy because I am going to clean it up and then everything's going to fall into place. So this is how it looks right now, but I do want it kind of smoky, so I'm going to go in with a different kind of brush. I'm going to go in with this brush right here and I'm going to dip back into that black. What I'm going to do is start smudging. I'm gonna clean this up, do the other eye, and then I'll be right back so we can finish up our face. Okay, so I finished up my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I love this stuff because my face is super dry, but this helps it a little bit. So I put it especially on my nose because that's where I need it. Today I'm going to go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Fiji. Okay, now I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm going to bounce that in my skin. You guys know the drill. Never forget to bring it down your neck. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer, you guys already know. And I have the shade Light Sand. I'm just going to put a few dots underneath my eyes, my chin, and then to highlight my nose, I'm going to do a line straight down. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just bounce that in. So guys, I've been watching makeup tutorials in Spanish because I want to try to learn Spanish. And just videos in general, I've been watching them in Spanish because I am Hispanic, if you guys didn't know. I hardly know Spanish, so I really want to try and be fluent. I did take Spanish 1, 2, and 3, but like my teacher at my school, like basically she was just teaching me and this other kid because we were the only ones that didn't know Spanish. And like she wouldn't teach me like Spanish that you can use on a daily basis. She would like teach me like, just words and like not sentences. I really want to be fluent at it. Now I'm going to go in with my airspun loose setting powder. First, I'm going to make sure I have no creases because you never want to set your creases. I always say that as well. I used another powder the other day and I took a picture and you guys should see the flashback. I don't know why I said that was my favorite. Okay, so I'm just gonna take like a big brush and I'm gonna dip into that blue setting powder and I'm gonna set the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna put this everywhere and then start patting it in. So I'm going to do this in a weird order, but as this sits, we're going to do our lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with my Sultry palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Bloom. With this shade, I'm going to blow everything out. Now I'm going in with an angled brush and I'm just going to wipe off that bake. So now I'm going in with the Shade and Light contour palette and I'm going to be taking this shade right here in the middle. This one is called Shadow Play and I'm taking it on a small contour brush. Whatever's left, I just run it on my jawline. Okay, I'm just gonna contour my nose while I'm here. So the same shade, Shadow Play. Then I just take this brush. It's a little itty bitty blending brush. And I just blend that out. Now for bronzer, I'm going to take this bronzer right here. It's the ABH Saddle Bronzer, and I'm just taking this brush right here that I got at, I think it was TJ Maxx. Just going to bronze up the face. My gosh, I love this bronzer. Just makes me look so alive. I take it around the perimeter. I really need to contour this 5 head that I got going on. The cheeks. So now I'm going to go in with my Paaarty blush by Tarte. Looks like this. I love the way blush ties everything together. I'm going ham with the blush. Little on the nose. The T-zone. So next I'm going to go back in with my baking powder and I'm going to clean up my contour. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Celestial Powder Candelight by acuion. It looks like this. It's just super like natural looking, so yeah, I don't want a blinding highlight, just a little subtle glow, if you will. So I put that in all the usual places that you put highlight. So cheekbones, temple. The bridge. And I'm going to put some in the inner corners. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. Now for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Moody Margot. It's just a nude. Now I'm going to take a little angled fluffy brush and just wipe off my bake. Now we have a sharp line. So this was the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to join my little family if you're not already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.